and today we're going to be doing curried jackfruit with quinoa, and this is first time doing this and I'm going to do the best I can. But today is curried jackfruit with quinoa. I just didn't anticipate so much mess. It's so gummy and so sticky, but yeah, it will be worth it. In preparing your jackfruit is to put some cooking oil on the hands, and you would have avoided this. So I'm going to stop, wash my hands and get some cooking oil on. So I've just finished deconstructing my jackfruit, so I thought it would be a lot less ripe because all the videos I've seen it has been less ripe, but we're going to work with this and we're going to create some magic with this in the same sense. So now I'm just cutting them in half just to have smaller parts to work with. Now my jackfruit is ready. I have here some sweet peppers and scallion, onion, ginger, pepper, and garlic. And I have some Irish potato, carrot, and chocho. I haven't seen chocho in a while, so I'm going to be putting some of that in there. I have some turmeric powder, my curry powder, and I have some seasoning powder that is homemade here to add some flavor to it. So now I'm going to be seasoning my jackfruit the traditional way that I've grown up seeing my grandmother do it. So I'm going to do it from the old country style. So I'm going to be putting my seasoning in. Generous amount of seasoning. I want to give it flavor. So I'm going to add seasoning in. Stir it up a bit. This is actually a homemade seasoning I made a few minutes ago. It has parsley, garlic, onion, cayenne, a whole lot of fresh seasonings in it, dried seasoning in it. So I'm just adding a generous amount to my jackfruit. Then I'm going to add some curry powder to the jackfruit. This is exciting. I'm really looking forward to what this is going to taste like. It feels a bit dry, but I'm going to be adding some more seasoning, going to be putting it into my pot, and I'm going to bevel it up and see how it turns out. I'm looking forward to the finished product. So I'm going to be adding my seasoned jackfruit to my pot with some oil, and then I'm going to add some water to it. I'm going to be adding some boiled water to my pot. And let this cook. Chopped chocho, carrots, and Irish potato that I'm going to add to my curry. Oh, hurt me. So now I'm going to cover my pot, leave it on medium heat for a bit, and let my vegetables cook. Alright, we've come to the end of another exciting recipe. This is our curried jackfruit recipe, and I'm very intrigued about this recipe, and I'm very excited to taste this recipe. So I'm going to taste it and give you my honest opinion of what it tastes like. So here it goes. It's really good, but I really can't say what it tastes like. It's a bit too soft, so next time I'll cook a little less time, but it's good. I like it. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in to another. Alright, thank you to all our Jackfruit family for. Alright, thank you to all the Jackfruitans for tuning in. Alright, we've come to the end.